One of the biggest reasons webinars lose attendance is surprisingly simple. People forget. Someone registers for the webinar, get busy with work, misses the timing, and never joins the session, which means lower attendance, lower engagement, and wasted marketing effort. So instead of manually sending reminder emails to every participant, what if this process could happen automatically? That's why I am here, because in this video I will show you how to build a workflow using Pabbly Connect that automatically sends webinar reminder emails when participants details are added to Google Sheet. Now first of all, let me quickly show you how this workflow will work, and after that I will help you create this inside your own Pabbly Connect account. Now first of all, to show you the demo, I just have to fill up this webinar registration form. After that, all the details that I will fill here will get added to my Google Sheets, and then instantly, just a day before the webinar, a mail will get sent to my customer. I will show that example to you right now. Let me quickly fill up this form. I have completely filled my form. Here I provided some personal details, and also I have selected the information about my business. Now we just have to click on the submit button to submit this form. My form is submitted successfully. Now all the details that I have provided in this form will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. Here you can see all these details have got added successfully. Next, just a day before our webinar, our customer will receive a reminder message. This will happen just because of this delay that we have added inside our workflow. Now I will show you the demo also. For that, I have already sent an email manually right now to show you the demo. I will open my Gmail. In here you can see this email is sent successfully with this webinar link and with the name of our customer added on it. And this happened just because of this workflow that I have created here. Now with the help of this workflow, you can add some more steps so that you can even configure multiple reminders, like you can send reminders 1 hour before the webinar or right before the webinar starts. So participants keep receiving timely reminders automatically without manual follow-up. So this was the demo of my workflow. Now I will help you create this exact same automation for your own business. For that, at first we have to come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To come here, you just have to watch this video that I've added on the I button. From there, you can simply learn how to come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Inside this dashboard, on the right side, you will see this button, Create Workflow. Click on this, and then right now, we will create our workflow with the help of AI. For that, you just have to select this Create Using Quick Builder. Inside this page, make sure that you start fresh. Click on this new chat and then press this Yes, Start Fresh. Now we have to add a prompt with the help of which this AI will generate the structure of our workflow for us. Like we have to describe the type of our workflow. In here, I will quickly add my prompt. I've added this prompt here, create a workflow to send reminder emails to webinar attendees when their detail is added in Google Sheet. Now we just have to send this prompt to our AI. This AI will analyze our prompt and then it will ask us to select the events of our trigger and action application. First of all, for my Google Sheet, which is my trigger application, we have to select this event as new or updated spreadsheet. Then for this Gmail, which will be our action application, we have to select our event as send email. Here the structure is created. Now we just have to approve this and then we have to open this workflow on a new tab. So just like this, you can simply create the structure of your workflow by simply providing the prompt to AI of how you want your workflow to be created. And this AI will instantly generate the structure of your workflow for yourself. So if you have still not tried this feature, just go and try this on. Now we have to work on our workflow. To create this workflow, you just need 3 simple things. The first thing that you need is a webinar registration form, which I've created inside my Google Form application. The second thing is an email ID with the help of which you are going to send reminder mails to your customer. And the last thing that you need is a premium subscription of Pabbly Connect so that you can run your workflows smoothly without even worrying about tasks. So if you are still running on 100 free tasks, I will ask you go and upgrade your subscription right now, because right now we are running a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plan. So if you will purchase your subscription right now just by using my coupon code JAIYT visible right in front of you, you can avail the special discount that we are running right now. So go and purchase your subscription as soon as possible. Now let us work on our workflow. First of all, we have to open the form that we have created. You can see this is my form. Here, as because of a native integration between Google Form and Google Sheet, all the form response that I will receive will automatically get stored to my Google Sheet. This means that at first we just have to integrate this Google Form and Google Sheet. So to integrate that, go inside this responses and press this link to sheet button. From here, you have to select if you want to create a new spreadsheet or if you want to select your existing spreadsheet. I will select the existing one. Then we have to press the select button. From here, I will select the sheet that I want to integrate. Then I will insert it. Instantly, my Google Form and Google Sheet will get integrated. You can see my form is integrated successfully with my sheet. Now inside our Pabbly Connect, you can see we have selected our trigger application as Google Sheet. We have to open this application. Now first of all, when you will press this connect button, you will receive this webhook URL. You have to copy this webhook URL from here, go back inside your Google Sheet. Now we have to integrate that webhook URL for here. First of all, inside this extension, you have to go inside this add-ons and select this get add-ons. From here, we will install Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. So for that, just search for this Pabbly Connect webhook and select it from here. Next, install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. After that, go back, refresh your sheet, go on this extension again. Here at bottom, Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible. You have to click on this initial setup. Here you have to add the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Inside this trigger column box, you have to add the last column of your Google Sheet where data is added. In my case, that column is H. So in here, I will just type down this capital H. Then I will click on this send test button. Initially, the data that is added on the first row of my Google Sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect account as a test response. After that, we just have to submit this response. Here our setup is configured. We will go back, click on this extension again, because right now we will do the most important thing. From this Pabbly Connect webhook, click on this send on event. Otherwise, the data here will not get sent automatically to your Pabbly Connect account and your automation will not work perfectly. So make sure to click on this send on event button. Here we have successfully integrated this. Now inside our Pabbly Connect account, we just have to look if we have received any response or not. You can see we have successfully received this response that contains all the details that were added on the first row of my Google Sheet. This means that our trigger application Google Sheet is working all fine. Now we just have to work on our action application Gmail. Open this application. To create this connection, press this connect button. You will receive two options. So if you have already established a connection, you can go with this second option. But to create a new connection, select this add new connection and press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your account. You have to select your account from here, then scroll down on the next page, click on this continue button. Your connection will get created successfully. After creating this connection, you just have to fill up some details. Like first of all, we have to add the sender's name. In here, usually we add the name of our business. So let me add the name of my business here. Next, for the sender email address, Pabbly Connect has automatically detected my mail, so I will let it remain as it is. Inside this recipient email address, we have to add the email address of our lead. So for that, we will take help of mapping. To map data, press the slash button, then you have to search for the value which you want to map. I search for the mail, it is visible here. I just have to click over this and it is mapped successfully. I have used mapping because by mapping, we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will receive any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, then they will remain static and not change unless we manually change it. So that's why to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. Now after that, I will skip this CC, BCC and reply to, as these are not mandatory. I will directly add this email subject. After that, we have to add this email content also. So let me quickly add this also. Here I have successfully added this email content, and in here I have also added the name of my customer by mapping. Here for this webinar topic, I've added this topic, how AI automation can grow your business in 2026. For this date and time, I've added this 21st of May 2026. Now I have to add the time also. So let me here add the time. I've added this time, and with this we have also added this join webinar link directly here. Now we just have to scroll down and click on this save and send test request button. But before that, what I want to tell you, what I personally like about workflows like this is that it improves webinar attendance without adding extra manual work, because the automation is active. Reminders continue going out automatically in the background, and beyond webinar reminders, you can automate much more. For example, you can send registration confirmations, create CRM entries, notify teams on Slack, trigger WhatsApp reminders, reminders, and many more, all without coding. So if you also want to try Pabbly Connect on your own, you can anytime use my coupon code JAIYT that I have also added in the description box to purchase your own subscription. And if you will use my coupon code, you can avail a special discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plan. So go and avail this offer right now. I will just press this save and send test request button. Instantly, this mail will get sent to our customer on their email ID. Let me just open my Gmail. We just have to go back, refresh this page. Instantly, you will see here a new mail will get successfully delivered to my customer. You can see here this new mail is sent successfully on all the details that I have added while creating my workflow. This means that the workflow that we have created here is working all fine. Now this email we have sent it directly, but as we want our email to get sent just a day before our webinar, that means that we have to add delay here. So for that, just click on this plus button and then you can simply select this delay by Pabbly from here. For this application event, select this add time delay, press this connect button. At first, for this how much delay you want to put in your workflow, we have to select this delay until. Then inside here, we have to add the date in this particular format that is provided here. So I will just copy this format and then I will add the date as 20th of May 2026 at 10 p.m. because I want to send this reminder just 24 hours before my workshop. Now let me quickly add this date. I have added my date. Now I'll press this save and send test request button. You can see we have received our response as success. This means that our next email will get delayed until 20th of May 2026 at 10 a.m. We have successfully completed the creation of our workflow with the help of which you can send reminder emails about your workshops to your customer just a day before the workshop itself. So this is how you can automatically send webinar reminder emails by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to use my workflow, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it directly for your business. This was a simple automation but a huge improvement for webinar attendance and communication. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget that by using this coupon code JAIYT, you can avail the special discount that we are running right now on our yearly and lifetime subscription plan. So go and purchase your subscription. I will see you in the next automation tutorial. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.